The trade relations between the EU and China has gotten more tense recently as the European Trade Commission is mulling whether to impose anti-dumping tariffs on telecom equipment from Huawei and ZTE. Discussions have broken down and both sides are now making sharper claims against one another. Huawei's European chief, Tao Jingwen, is saying EU should work to improve its dialogue and communication with the industry rather than simply decide to go down the route of imposing sanctions against companies. While Trade Commission continues to assert that Huawei and ZTE are being paid unfair subsidies that allow them to keep profitable while undercutting the marketplace with cheaper equipment.
When China Huawei Technologies Company, China's biggest telecommunication equipment company, has denied receiving government subsidies and has warned the European Union against being judgmental of Chinese companies, the EU said last week it has taken a decision in principle to open an ex officio anti-dumping and anti-subsidy investigation concerning imports of mobile telecommunications networks and their essential elements from China. This decision will not be activated for the time being to allow for negotiations towards an amicable solution with Chinese authorities. But Huawei's top executive in Western Europe told China Daily the company will take strong action if the EU starts an investigation. Huawei has denied receiving unfair subsidies from the government and insisted that its price advantages come from its technology innovation. Support against any investigation came from the unlikely sources of Ericsson and Nokia Siemens last week. Both major European telecoms came out to lobby against any trade sanctions against the Chinese telecoms. That comes as China Mobile is about to open the next bidding for the installation of more 4G telecom equipment across the country. That investment totals over $6 billion, and both European telecoms are looking to get bigger contracts to install for China Mobile. If the EU acts against Huawei and ZTE, then Ericsson and Nokia Siemens feel they might get shut out of the lucrative Chinese telecom boom. Tao fires out to the Global Times that Huawei's low prices alone cannot win market share in Europe. It is only quality products and services which conform with the laws and regulations that are acceptable to clients. Huawei entered the European market a decade ago, and since 2011, Europe has been its largest market outside of China. It earned $400 million from the region in 2011, about 13% of its total global revenue.
An ex officio trade defense action allows the European Trade Commission to launch a trade defense investigation on its own initiative without an official complaint by the EU industry. This possibly is particularly important as it offers a shield when the risk of retaliation against European companies asking for a trade defense instrument is high. Such an action can be focused on either an anti-dumping or anti-subsidy investigation or both. Any launch of such an investigation is supported by evidence of unfair international trade practice and the economic difficulties caused by it.